Folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Today in this video we'll be fishing on this creek here. We'll dig for some fish. We'll see if we can catch some. I'm just shoveling here. We're gonna drill some holes here and we'll see if we can get any. Stay tuned. There. Oh, there you go.
What are you doing today, guys?
We're fishing.
I can hear you.
We're fishing.
We're ice fishing.
Ice fishing. In the ice. Doing that. So we can get fish.
If we get a fish, how big do you think it would be? Use your hands to show.
How big do you think we could catch?
This big.
And how about you, Taylor? How big do you think?
Big.
Oh, okay. Hopefully we get one.
We have Dad shows all the things. We have the thing to put it down. And yeah, and that's going to get a stick. And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, folks. We'll drill some holes. I think I had to the creek's about here. There's bottom, and our ice is that thick, so we got about 2.5 feet of ice there. Okay, we'll continue on, drill a couple more. Try one right here. Okay guys, folks, we'll check the depth here. Oh, that one's the deepest hole there. That one's pretty much the same. Oh yeah, that's about the same, pretty much. Right there's about the same. We got a good fishing spot here, I think. We'll try one more there, we'll see. There we go, folks. We got our drill. Now we can jig. Yeah, it's pretty good right here. I think we're right in the zone. Yeah, these holes will be good to fish. Tori, can you bring that shovel, please? Get some footage of Tori. Okay, Tori. Come on, Taylor, check it out. We're done drilling. It's not a time lapse? Or it was? Oh yeah. Here's Tori. There's Taylor. Okay, we'll get some. Cleaned out. get some fish, it'll be cool to get some fish on the hook.
Go in the water.
Look at this, Taya. Get some fish in there. Right there, folks. These will be good holes here. Good drill. Cool. All right, folks, we're gonna grab the rod. We'll jig for some fish. Hopefully we get one. All right, folks, my buddy Alan's here. He's dropped his hook in. We're just starting to jig. We got some holes dug in. We're gonna see if we catch any.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, Alan. How are you today? Good?
Good yourself.
Not too bad.
Try to enjoy the day.
Yeah. See if we catch a fish. That'll be awesome.
For sure.
Yeah. Alan got he's jigging in there. All right. I'll get my rod in. My rod's right there. I'll be using a jiggler. Oh, I got one. I got one. It's a small one, folks. My drag's not on good. Oh, it's a little one, folks. Look at that. We got one. Look, come closer. Whoa. He's a little guy, folks. He's a little guy. Nice. Yeah, we'll get him unhooked and released. I got him under here. I don't know how I got him there, but I did. There, folks. There's a little small little baby. Cool. Nice. We'll let him go. We'll let him get some air. We'll get him not tired. Let's see if he goes. We'll get him wet in there. Oh, there he goes, folks. That was not a bad one. I got him on a little jig like this. Folks, look at that. Yeah, we'll continue on here for a little bit. Good day on the little creek here. All right, first catch. Okay guys, that concludes our video. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was educational. Please subscribe to Outdoors with